Implicit animations in Flutter are the lazy developer's shortcut. They offer automatic smooth transitions by simply changing properties, and Flutter handles the rest. Perfect for simple, quick animations, they require minimal coding. Explicit animations are the precision playground. They provide total creative control, allowing developers to customize every detail of movement. With precise timing and complex transitions, they are ideal for sophisticated design experiences. Choose implicit animations for simple, quick property changes. They are efficient and easy to implement. Opt for explicit animations when you need intricate, pixel-perfect animations. They offer the flexibility to create detailed and complex visual experiences, making them perfect for advanced design projects.